gonna go right into this video. Okay, so I'm making sure that the parts in the front are pretty clean because I am doing like a half and half situation where the back of my hair is what would have the crochet braids installed, but my hair is clean and I did go ahead and moisturize. So make sure that you're moisturizing your hair, especially when you're gonna put it in a protective style, to avoid any kind of breakage or any damage to your hair. To make the parts look as clean as possible, I am using some edge control and I'm gonna apply that to the top and the bottom of the cornrow, and I will comb that through to smooth it out. I was debating whether or not to give a cornrow tutorial, but it's so difficult to explain, especially when I did not intentionally set up everything to show exactly what I'm doing and how to cornrow. So that's something I'll probably have to do at a later date. But if you look closely, then you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, my hair is between my thumb and middle finger, and my index finger is used as basically the guide or the arrow to pick and pull as I braid along that section, right? And that's the best way I can explain it right now. I know this is pretty fast and it's not the best explanation, but I'm doing my best. All right, so that is just a quick little synopsis on how to actually cornrow your hair, and I'll just finish doing the cornrows in the front and do the back section off camera, and then I will come on and show you guys how I crochet, which is also pretty self-explanatory. Right, so this is what the grid is looking like. I did corner my hair in sections, and as you can see, based on the pattern, like I just want to have the flexibility to be able to put my hair up in a ponytail, and separating like that or doing it like that kind of gives it that invisible look where it doesn't really look like crochet, if that makes sense. I don't know. Yeah, and obviously, like I said, the crocheting aspect of it is self-explanatory. The hair that I used is kind of like a passion twist, and these were manually created, like the crochet braids. I bought the loose hair and I manually created the braid, and it's pretty easy. I also gave it that bohemian look by pulling out a few pieces, and I will show you towards the end how you can also just use loose braiding hair as crochet and braid it or twist it however you want to give it that look that you want, you know? So you don't have to buy the pre-made ones with the bulky loop on the top, like, yeah. So yeah, you put the latch through, open, you loop the hair in, close it and pull it through your braid, and pull the hair through that loop and tighten as you go. So here I'm showing you, this is the loose hair. You pull it like you would like any normal crochet braiding hair. What I'm gonna do is pull out a piece to give it that bohemian look, and then I'm gonna just twist down the braid like a corkscrew, which is what we call it back home where I'm from. So literally so easy, so simple. This style took me maybe an hour and a half to do. It's really so easy. I'm just gonna finish off by doing my edges, and I think it came out pretty good. I really like the look of it. I left it in for a couple days, but obviously you could keep it in for longer if you want. But this is what the style is looking like. This is what it's giving. Yeah, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Please let me know down below if you would like me to do a cornrow tutorial, because I will be willing to do that for you guys. Okay, bye.